why biodiversity is so important. As we know, global climate change, we face a lot of issues that need some expertise to try to solve the problems. Biodiversity, including the gene, individual, habitat. So we know the wildlife population is decreasing dramatically. We know that the habitat is destroyed by all kinds of reasons. So we need someone to make research to know the basic science and then add on some application.
Our master program in biodiversity offers courses like this. In our campus, we have a greenhouse. This huge collection are many endemic species in Taiwan, found only in Taiwan, such as this Isoetes taiwanensis. So this material can provide students to examine their structure and their diversity.
Parts of our training try to link environment, ecology, and resources to explore impacts of environmental and climatic change on aquatic ecosystems. We not only focus on fundamental ecological and biodiversity sciences, but also expand to interdisciplinary and transdisciplinary science. For example, we have established a lavafish automatic classification system which combines biodiversity and IT fields, and further apply for bycatch assessment for balancing fishery and conservation.
In the past, when we consider biodiversity conservation issue, we always ignore the role for the people. Gradually, we found in the landscape, the human play a very key role. So we like to change the paradigm to try to invite the people to join us. We will try to introduce some of the concepts for the habitat conservation, mainly the protected area management, like indigenous people, like a co-management issue, like a conflict between wildlife and the people, these kind of things.
Not only in the lectures, but also we will provide the student a lot of discussion opportunity with the dialogues, not only with the NTU student, but also overseas students. And especially, Taiwan is such a beautiful island. So we show the student to a lot of different places, like the research center in Jiji, a lot of museums. Also down the sides, we have botanic garden, is protected a lot of plant species. Study biodiversity in Taiwan, especially in Taida, is a great opportunity because 1% of the land in Taiwan belong to National Taiwan University, and from sea level all the way up to 4,000 meters.
We will go up to the Alpine region because in the summertime there's plenty of flowers opening at the same time, so we can examine the flower diversity. Many of them are endangered and only endemic to Taiwan. We will sit there, take an observation with camera and videotaping and examine how specifically they evolve in related to each other.
Within a semester, we will visit a protected area, that means the national park. Because they have headquarters, they have a staff, they will let students to have a more holistic thinking about what is a protected area management.
Taiwan, surrounded by oceans, offers many opportunities to touch and explore oceans. Faculty in marine researches in MPB will support students for bridging science, community governance, for valuing marine biodiversity and ecosystem service for the blue economy.
Taiwan actually is a gateway to Southeast Asia. As we know, a lot of biodiversity hotspot is in Southeast Asia, in tropical area.
Biodiversity, particularly in tropical area, is most important because you can see this diversity, interaction with the animal, interaction with the insect.
So from Taiwan and can move to Southeast Asia, we're going to lead the student to look some tropical rainforest and some field station in Malaysia, Indonesia, to explore the surrounding area. So in NTU, we provide a very good study site for you to pursue your career in this biodiversity.